Welcome to the Unhandy Handyman, where a guy with no particular set of skills shows you how to do basic home repairs. Today we're going to fix this leak tap. As we can see, this tap is leaking from the top. Just going to turn the water off. I'm just going to remove this top cap. Should be able to do that with your hands. If not, you can use a pair of vice grips for that. Once the cap is off, you can see this plastic piece here. We need to remove that and that. I can't get out with my hands, so I'll need to use vice grips for that. Once you get it loosened off, you can do the rest of the way by hand. And you can see that piece has a gasket around the edge, and then there's also this other piece inside. And this is the new one that I got from Home Depot. Okay, so the two pieces, you just want to make sure that the black part is pointing up like that. So then you just want to screw that back in. Just be careful not to squeeze it too hard and don't over tighten it. We'll just test it and make sure that's working. There we go, that seems to be working now, and then I'm going to put the cap back on and we'll give that a little turn with the vice grips.